Alright, Columbus Police Body Cams YouTube subscribers.
There's a huge pig. It lives next door. It broke the fence down. It's in my backyard on the back porch, breaking stuff. I've got dogs.
Did you say a huge pig or a kid?
A pig. Pig. P-I-G.
All right, Ellen, I'm going to get some officers out there for that pig that's in your backyard breaking things.
What the hell?
Alright, FTO office, just to set the stage for you here. Young Officer Booth.
Young pig?
Urban, New Jersey.
Yeah.
Is about to go wrestle his first pig. It's going to be epic. Stand by.
Alright, Columbus Police Body Cams YouTube subscribers.
My daughter's friends,
Yeah.
but they're at the zoo right now, so we're trying to get it into our yard. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you want to move?
Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to go about moving.
Well, we got it this far.
So, yeah, look out, they'll charge you.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Come on.
Let's go. Come on. Oh, you got food?
He's from Indiana, of course he is.
So, usually they'll walk right with you if you can get in their peripheral vision.
Yeah.
They'll usually walk right with
Come on, let's go.
Priscilla the pig?
Has all the paperwork and everything for the pig, and they're on their way.
Crackers, they in the crackers.
Hey, it's a pig, they're into food, aren't they?
She said it follows food, so we're going to try it.
you. Ooh, there you go.
No.
Come on.
I got kids. I know they bite.
Wait, so why we should be taking it that way?
There was one on steel.
I mean,
This one's pretty nice.
Turn me. So she lives down that way, correct?
Yeah, we're going to
but
get in
she
the
broke
garage.
fence.
Oh, so you guys are gonna put it in your
So
garage?
we're gonna put it in our yard, and so they can get her home
Okay.
inside, because she's an indoor-outdoor type thing. I don't know.
Indoor, outdoor?
Yeah.
You keep this thing in the house?
Yeah.
Not me, but they do.
Now walk with me, come on.
Me too.
You just came for fun. I know, kids just had to this way. Come on, Petunia, let's go.
Pigs are actually some of the cleanest animals.
They said Priscilla.
No, Priscilla, and I don't know.
It's
That's my
Priscilla?
leg. That's that one. That one I'm, okay. That's what I'm stepping
Go
away.
this way. Come on. There you go.
This female that owns her, but I broke
Yeah.
Let her have a couple. Here.
years ago.
He's a good girl.
This is not what I wanted to do.
Yeah, me
Which
either.
garage are we going to?
This on the corner here.
469?
Yes. I've only spoke to them like once or twice, so I don't know if they'd be okay.
I can see this
Yeah,
thing
it
running
went
over
through
our
the
fence.
fence.
With me, come on. Good girl, come on. Come on.
She's not taking me another one.
Come on.
No feedback. Come on, we're going forward. We're making progress. Let's go.
Come on.
I just stepped in dog crap.
Yeah, we
Or
have
pig
another
crap.
neighbor that don't like to pick it up when we walk around.
Yeah. We're going to go this way. This way.
Get on this side over here. She's with you. Just a knee right behind the shoulder blade. Will oftentimes get them going in that direction. Or you could just run away.
Or
Take your cracker. And we should probably... That's not going to work on her.
she might break that leash. So.
She's too big.
No, 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 no. This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever...
Imagine. Just watch out.
Yeah.
She'll tear one of those fences up.
Yeah.
Too big. Come on. Get going. Go. Go. Get Pepper. Come on. Get.
I mean, can we get her to run home and try to fix her fence?
Honestly, yeah, if she was going to go back that way, then that would be cool, but I don't know if she get out again, so.
Usually they walk them with canes.
Straps or something to rig the
They just walk this pig around the neighborhood?
They just walk with canes. I used to raise hogs.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you seem pretty comfortable with it.
Yeah. They're easy. Come on. Just stubborn and big. Come on. You're all right. Come on. It's a long walk for you, huh? Come on. Come on. Come on. Follow me. Come on.
She was eating crackers.
Hey, sweetheart. What are we doing here? You mad? You excited? No time for your mom to be at the zoo, huh?
He said he raised more power to him.
We go get Patty. Will she follow Patty? Yes, we have 2 pigs.
There's 2 in the neighborhood?
Yeah, well, there's one right outside up here. It's Patty, and she's probably every bit this size, but she's super docile. Come on, follow us.
What'd I tell you? No. No. You're not going this way. God bless America. Bet me. Now I'm mad. Go. Go.
Yeah.
Too late.
Oh, yeah, you don't want to do that. She'll go nuts.
Look at this next door. Oh.
Oh, I know. I heard
Come on. Let's not hurt anybody. Come on.
Good girl.
Good girl.
We're supposed to try and maneuver up under the cloak.
Yeah, I heard. I'm not sure how well that's going to go.
Good girl.
Come on, honey. Let's get on the
Good
floor.
girl.
Come over this way. Come get on your porch. Come on, get on your porch. I hear your brother yelling for you.
Good girl.
They have a second pig in there?
Good. Yes. Good girl.
I wonder what the decorations are over here about that. Is she going to be able to get up those steps? Are we sure about that?
Now,
She likes to go
Priscilla.
on the porch. And that's why we should try and get her and then close the gate. Come on, Priscilla.
come on.
She's going to root for a second. Probably tired.
Go bash her head in, please.
Oh, I'm not. No, just. There you go.
Here, Priscilla.
All right. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl, girl. Go on, come on.
Come on.
Uh-oh.
They're pretty scared.
Go on, girl. Go that way. Go on. Good girl. Good girl.
I'm backwards. It's like trying to push a car. You run out of gas.
There was one in our yard.
Oh, good girl.
Good girl.
There you go.
There you
Good
go.
girl.
Say if we kind of keep her.
Here, Priscilla. Priscilla.
You're going to get in trouble when your mom gets here. Oh, no.
No,
Turn
no.
around, sweetheart.
Turn around. She broke through the fences. She broke through my fence.
You like food?
Oh, so she didn't break through her own? She broke into your
First
yard
she broke
and then
into our
got
yard
out.
and then through our fence.
Right there behind the shed.
Got your mommy.
There they go.
Well, we can try to get her blocked in there.
Yeah.
Come on. You stay right in there.
She can go right through the front.
Well, we can We're gonna block.
We're gonna block her in until they pull up.
No, they're right here.
She comes.
Can you block her in?
Stay right here.
Priscilla, mommy's here. Come on, here, Come on. If she block her. She won't bite. Hold on. We need pallets. Get the pallets. Hey, Lisa, get the pallets. Go get pallets. Next to our walker.
I have no idea what they're doing here.
Make sure the trash cans are all blocking everything. Alright. I know you want to go in there, Mom. We're going to take you inside, baby. Are you able to open the gate? Wait. No, I can't. There's wires. Alright, stop holding it.
She on the porch. Hello. So, someone who lives here, who owns the pig. Okay. This is going to be a hell of a report.
I'm embarrassed right now.
It happens, man. I mean,
It was funny. I about pissed myself down there, and the whole time I was like, "She's got paper."
I'm having an anxiety attack. I'm like, oh my god, like don't let my dog get hurt, my pig get hurt. That's all I could think of.
And we had her almost to the house to get her in the garage, and then she turned around and said nope. So I'm like, all right, fuck. It looks like we're going this way.
I think she's in heat.